Hey guys, so today we are going to learn about how to install Dspace on a Windows operating system. I'm running Windows 7 here and it will work just fine over Windows XP or Windows 8. So to install Dspace on Windows platform, we need some softwares to install first. So the softwares are Java Development Kit, the PostgreSQL, Apache Tomcat, Apache Maven, and Apache Ant. So first of all, we need to install JDK and just run open it. If you have already installed the JDK, then you don't need to have it reinstalled. Yeah, as it say, it's already installed on my system. So to just show you, I will just click yes. Once you have installed JDK, you will have something like this in program files folder, JDK 1.7 or whatever version you have installed. So I will just go ahead and cancel the installation because it may take time. So after installing the JDK, we need to install PostgreSQL. So let's double click it. This is the database we are going to use with for Dspace. It's Postgre. I'll just run it. Okay, it's starting the installation. Okay, we will just go ahead stepwise so it's easy to learn. My system is a little slow. It's running the setup. Okay, it's installing the PostgreSQL. Okay, just click next. Yeah, location default. Next. Okay, next. Yeah, put that password here, which you can remember easily. I will put just library and library. Okay, next. Put let be default. Yeah, locale is default. Next. It will take some time to install. Okay, well, we have it installed now. Now I just uncheck it and let's finish. So from the dependencies we have two things installed now. Let's install the third one, that is Apache Tomcat. Just click run it as administrator. Next, agree. Next. Okay, just set username here admin and password admin. You can set anything whatever you like, but just remember it. Leave the ports as default and just click next. Okay, next. Next. Okay, it's installing. It won't take much time. uh, Okay, it's installed now. Just uncheck those. Okay, what's the next thing is open your C drive, and we need to extract these files in C. Just click and drop into C drive. Okay, the next thing is we are going to do the same with Apache Maven. Okay, how? Okay, let's drag and drop into C drive. I think I should let the current one finish. Okay, is it? Yeah, it's finished. One Apache Ant is here. The next one is Apache Maven. Open it, extract and drop. Is it? Yes, it should be. Yeah, we have here Apache Maven is here and Apache Ant is here. So all the things are set it up. We need to now set up some environment variables. Okay, just click my computer properties and then advanced system settings, environment variables. In the system variables, just go to path, edit, copy down the path and paste it in notepad so that we can see what's going on here. So what we need to do is we need to copy the paths of the Apache Ant, Maven and JDK. So go to C drive, Apache Ant, bin, and copy down the path, add a semicolon, add whatever you have in those variables, a semicolon, and put this. Then next is Apache Maven, bin, copy and paste. Next is we have JDK, program files, Java and JDK 1.7, 0.4. I have two installations here. You will have only one, so I will go ahead and with the new one and bin, copy down path and paste it here. Select all and replace the current one with the new one. Okay, in the user variables we need to click new and add two variables here. First is Java home. Set the path of Java home just one folder back, means C, program files, Java, JDK. This is the Java home variable value. Okay, one more, Ant home, and we have the Ant here, Apache Ant. Copy down its path. Oh, sorry, and paste it here. Okay, close it. Now we are done with the paths. Go to command prompt cmd and check if we are doing everything right. We have the Java version here. Let's check Ant version. We have the Ant version. Yes, we have the Ant version. So we are going on the right path. Okay, what we need to do next is download the version of Dspace you want to install. Okay, this is the latest version 5.2. we can install this one. Just go ahead and download it. Okay, just make sure we need to download the src release source version. Save it. Okay, it's downloaded now. Now what we need to do is extract this into C drive. My computer C. Okay, we need to extract it here. It may take some time to extract as there are lots of files. I'll pause the video for a second. Okay, the extraction is complete. I think yes, it's complete. We have the Dspace here. Okay, now we need to go to set up the Postgre database. Just go to Postgre and click on pgadmin. Okay, click connect, enter the password library, and it's connected. On database, first we need to set up a login rule here. New login rule. Sorry, it's role. Login role. Dspace. Definition, we need to enter the password here. I will enter the password Dspace, and we need to give these role privileges. Uncheck this one. Okay, fine, everything good. Okay, we have the new login role here. We need to create a new database here. Dspace, owner, Dspace, definition. Yeah, just make sure you select pg default here. Everything else is good. We are good to go. Okay, it's creating the database, I think. Okay, we have the database here. What's next is we need to create the mvn package. Now just go to command prompt and click enter into the directory C and local drive C and Dspace. This directory, we need to enter into this directory. Just copy the path and hit cd and paste the path here. We are in here and write mvn package. Okay, now it will download the package from the internet. It will take a lot of time depending upon the internet connection. I have a slow connection, so I will go ahead and pause the video until it's done. Okay, now the build is success. So what's next is we have the database ready, we have the build ready. Now we need to create a folder in C. Yes, new folder, name it Dspace. Yes, okay. So now we need to go to C, Dspace 5.2 release, Dspace target, and we have Dspace target, Dspace installer, Dspace installer. Copy down the path, copy and we need to go cd and paste it here. I'm already in that. I'm already in here in that path. Okay, so we need to execute a command here, command fresh install. Okay, it will build the Dspace package in C Dspace in the folder we created earlier. C Dspace. Okay, yeah, it's creating the package here. It may take some time to finish this process since it needs to copy down the web app files, which are a lot. Okay, the build successful. Now we need to create a administrator account for the Dspace installation. So what we need to do, cd c Dspace bin. Okay, here we need to run a command dspace create administrator. Okay, you need to enter the email address. My system is quite slow. Okay, let's enter the email address. Enter the first name, saying password. It will not display on the screen as it said. Just enter your password and click yes. Okay, we have the account created. Now we need to start the Tomcat server. Tomcat. Okay, monitor Tomcat. We have it here. Click start services. Okay, it started. This one last step we need to do is go to C Dspace web apps and copy down JSP UI and XML UI into C program files, Apache Tomcat web apps, and paste it here. Okay, once the files are moved, we need to restart the Tomcat server stop service and then start service. Okay, we are all done here. Let's check localhost 8080 JSPUI. Okay, we have a internal server error. Okay, it says, wow, in the 5.2 version I think we need to move the solar folder to copy and paste it in the Tomcat directory. Restart the server again. Stop. Start. Refresh. Okay, we have the Dspace installation completed here. So it took some time, yeah, but if you follow the steps, it's quite easy. In the next video I will tell about the how to set up the SMTP server and how to set up SMTP configuration, I mean, and how to customize these headers and change the images, etc. Well, for now, thanks for watching. Jasminder.